This class is called Wonderworks from Ukraine, and it's kind of about lots of different folktale and fairy tales and all kinds of traditions from Ukraine. A unique feature of this class is our partnership with students in Kiev. They connected with us on Zoom to lead us in a workshop to make pisanki. The pisanka is a traditional Ukrainian egg that's typically painted around Easter time, and more recently it's been a great symbol of Ukrainian pride. It's essentially just a process of drawing your design on with a pencil, coloring over it with wax, and then sticking it in the dye. And eventually, after you do that several times, you get to heat all the wax off with a hairdryer, and then it all comes off with all the colors. I just thought it was a great learning experience. When we heated all the wax off at the end and all the colors came out, I was just super impressed with myself because I didn't expect to be able to paint an egg like that. Even though we were just painting eggs, getting to connect with these students and them showing us their tradition was a great way for us to connect, and it's where we really got to know each other as people. Ultimately, it's shared experiences like these that bring people closer together both around the world and here at Dartmouth.